top 6 are as follows. Gabriel Azar, 131 votes. Mr. Jones, 128 votes. Yosef, who is not here, 180 votes. Mr. Stephen Steele, 132 votes. I have Alison here, 123 votes. And lastly but not least, Mr. Wilson, 178 votes. The other parishes, the 3 directors are as follows. Mr. Ferdinand, 136 votes.
Why am I not on this list?
Mr. Ranking, Mrs. Ranking, Miss Ranking, 130 votes. And Mr. Dibbs, 120 votes.
A very interesting night, but a night nonetheless that had to happen. Your thoughts on your AGM?
I thought it was really good. It's always a pleasure to engage with members, and it's always good. We, as the executive and now the new board, are here to serve members in the sport, not the other way around. It's always good to report to the membership on what we've done and to hear from the members. And I will be very clear, I don't only look forward to hearing from members who think we're doing a great job. I look forward to hearing from members who have concerns, who reflect on any concerns that may have been expressed during the evening, use it to make us a better organization. And certainly we're always looking to evolve and to become better tomorrow than we are today. So I think it was a great evening. Well, I thought everything was important which we discussed, but from my perspective, I said at the beginning of the election process, I think there were 16 candidates. Unfortunately, there are only 9 who will be elected to the board tonight, but I made it clear that we want to engage with everyone. So even the candidates who are not successful, they're willing to serve, we're willing to work with them.